What's up, family? Got another one. This time, a suspect got shot downtown. Got shot by the police. I don't know why they think they can go downtown, man, and break law. They not getting it. I don't know. Somebody must have told them the cameras don't work or something. Or they believe they're invisible. Because I don't get it. I don't understand why they want to go downtown and do anything. Come on, man. Didn't they just see what happened last week? And that 7-Eleven? You mean tell me they ain't see that? Oh, that's right. Gangsters don't watch the news. So they don't know really what the hell's going on. You know? And if they're not careful, they might get charged with that. You know? These little young cats, man, don't think, man. Check this clip out.
More police had said they had no idea that City Watch cameras were rolling. A group of armed men may have been behind yet another violent crime.
Okay. First of all, they say the police said they didn't know if the cameras was rolling. Come on, man. I'm a citizen. And I know for a fact, them cameras always rolling.
All right, ABC 2 News' Skylar Henry learned why an officer ended up shooting one of the suspects involved. Skylar.
Yeah, Jamie, from start to finish, this all happened in around 2 minutes. A quick drop, a foot chase, and an officer drawing his service weapon, firing a round that hit one of the men who was cornered by police. The screams served as a rapid conclusion to what...
You mean a gangster, man? That gangster screaming like that? Man, he's supposed to be a gangster, man. He's supposed to take that.
Could have been worse, says Baltimore police. On the ground is 20-year-old Brian Campbell.
20 years old, man. It's sad, man. You know, I would really like to know, man, how these guns is getting in our community. How they ending up in young black kids' hands, man. Really would like to know how they getting in our community, man, and I'm going to try to do some research on it, man. Because it don't make no sense, man. This kid probably should have been home somewhere. Probably should have been, well, it was nighttime, she probably should have been home in bed at the time. Home with his family. 20 years old, he should be home studying or something, man. Look, he's 20 years old, man. His life is just probably almost gone. If that bullet don't change him, don't change his mind, make him recognize what the hell's going on, man. It should be a wake-up call to his little ass.
The aftermath of a gun drop caught on City Watch cameras.
This crew of people likely weren't just going to target practice or...
Man, listen to him. He ain't going to target practice. Listen what he said.
Range. I don't think they're any in that area they were going.
What you mean you don't think? You know it ain't none in that area. Why you being smart, man? Being sarcastic, man. Them little kids need help, really. You being sarcastic. I don't think they're going to a gun range shooting nowhere. I don't think there's none in that area. Come on, man. These are young black men you talking about, man. Yeah, they criminals, man, but you know, try to help them, man. It's sad what's going on in our city, man. You know.
These group of people were likely up to something.
Close up, you can see the transaction. 3 guns handed off to 3 of this group of 5, including Campbell and another man, 20-year-old Omari Hart, on Park Avenue near Clay Street. City Watch operators alerting police almost instantly. After a short walk down the block, in come police. Their body-worn cameras capturing the chase.
This wasn't...
Man, them boys wasn't doing nothing, man. They was just taking a nice little stroll downtown, man. We can't even walk downtown, man.
Just, you know, I need to arm myself to go walk my dog. These were,
That's what they was doing, man. They was, you know, they was strapped. You know how dangerous it is in Baltimore City, man. You gotta keep your gun on you to walk around, man. Come on, man. Don't act like you don't know. Nah, all jokes aside, this brother right here that's speaking, His little brother got murdered last year. Yep, they shot his little brother up, man. Yeah, that was sad, man. This is what's going on in Baltimore City, man. It ain't funny at all, though. You know, it's sad, really. Man, we losing a lot of young lives, man, to these guns and drugs, man. It's killing the young people, man.
Something was afoot. We don't know what, but luckily whatever it was disrupted.
3 of the men take off running. 2 of them chucked their guns, Campbell keeping his, which forced one of the officers to shoot 1 time, hitting him in the leg.
And the City Watch operator and the officers likely saved someone from being a non-fatal shooting victim or a homicide victim that night. So, or even a robbery victim.
Now, police are still looking for the last of the 3 armed men. The officer involved in the shooting is on routine leave. Both of the men arrested are charged with misdemeanor weapons charges. Kelly?
More police had said they had no idea that City Watch cameras were rolling. A group of armed men.
Yeah. They got misdemeanor charges, man. They're gonna be home. They're gonna be right back on the street. Misdemeanor charges. They ain't gonna want to deal with it in court. Right? Or they probably say the jail is already crowded, so they might get their own recount. You know. That's why, man, there's a lot of crimes going on in Baltimore City too. Because to have a gun, man, is just a misdemeanor charge. You get a little slap on the wrist. And you got a lot of crooked cops in Baltimore. I'm gonna do a video on that too, man. Because we got some cops, man, just getting ready to go down right now as we speak. They're going down for corruption. Yep. So, that's what happens, man, when you want to be a gangster. See that? You go out there, you get yourself shot up by the police. You do stupid shit, like go downtown with cameras everywhere and try to break law. That's what you kids want to be. You want to be a gangster. Well, you just saw what happened to a gangster. You heard how he was screaming and howling like he was dying and he got shot in the leg. So you kids, man, y'all better wake up, man. Seriously, man. There's only 2 places you're going to end up being a gangster. That's in the grave or behind them bars. So, if you don't want those 2 choices, man, I suggest you change your life. And you don't have to go out there to get shot in the leg. You can be wise, and look what happened to that young man in this news clip. He got shot in the leg. Luckily, I'm telling you, man, policeman is not playing. You know, they was on the road last year. They might have met their quota and backed off. You know, of killing black men. You know, so. Because a lot of people, it seems like they starting to have a little bit more sympathy for it. Because we had a robbery that happened last week, and you know, none of the suspects got shot. They didn't even get caught. And somebody that watched my videos said they let them get away, you know, and quickly turned the video into some kind of racist shit. So, but it ain't about that, man. Young cats need to wake up, man. You know? Alright, peace. See y'all, man. I wish I would have no more videos to post. But I'm going to keep posting this, man. Because really, that's all that's going on around me, man. If I'm going to post something, I want to keep it real. You know, a lot of news clips, man, is about nothing but people getting shot, going to jail, drugs, and just a lot of sick stuff going on in Baltimore City, man. So look, man, keep your heads up. I'm out.